How to connect Meta pixels to Snippe. If you're running Meta ads, connecting your Meta pixel to Snippe lets you track conversations, understand customer behavior, and optimize your campaigns. Let's get started. First, go to your Snippe dashboard. From the sidebar, click Payment Pages. Then select the payment page that you want to connect with your Meta pixels. Press Edit. You will see the field where you can input your Meta pixel ID. Now, switch over to your Meta Business Manager and open Event Manager. Click on Datasets. If you've already created your pixel, you can simply copy the dataset ID from your existing setup. Now, return to your Snippe dashboard. Scroll down until you find your Meta pixel ID field. Paste the pixel ID and click Publish to save all changes. That's it, your Snippe payment page is now connected to your Meta pixel. From now on, when customers visit your payment page or complete a purchase, Meta can track those events. This helps you measure conversions, optimize your ad campaigns, create retargeting audiences, and make smarter marketing decisions based on real customer data. It's a simple setup that gives you powerful insight on how your ads are performing.